Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do the fast clapping. So you take your two hands and you clap like this, and then you do the same motion with the other hand, and you just kind of speed it up, right? That's all you need to know, really. However, there's a lot of misconceptions, right? You're not just gonna like watch a tutorial and you're not gonna be able to do it right away. It's one of those things that you just have to like kind of do it over and over again till you get it. It's like a muscle memory, you just have to learn it. However, the most important thing that you need to know is to have fun while doing it, right? Because learning how to do fast clapping, it's not like it's gonna change your life, right? It's just like a cool party trick or whatever. It's not really useful, right? So and if you're trying it for a long time and you're getting frustrated and you're not getting anywhere, it's not fun. You're just not you're not gonna want to do it ever again, right? You just want to give up. However, the way to prevent this is to have fun while learning it, right? Instead of just trying for so long and your hands getting like tired and all that, just go just for a few minutes, for a few seconds or whatever, right? And maybe try listening to some music while doing it, or maybe just do it while like watching some videos or whatever, right? That's gonna make it a lot more fun, and you'll be more likely to come back to it and learn it. So that's the most important part about it. So yeah.